Welcome to my channel. I hope all you are doing great. This story is the reflection of current situation in Pakistan. Watch till the end. If the story inspires you, so subscribe for more. The town of silence. In a faraway land, nestled between towering mountains and whispering rivers, lay a peculiar town called Sukoonabad. It was beautiful cobblestone streets wound around ancient trees, and golden lanterns flickered warmly at dusk. But there was something strange about it. No one spoke. It wasn't that they couldn't. They simply wouldn't. The rule was written in bold letters at the entrance of the town. No one shall speak. No one shall question. No one shall break the silence. For years, the people of Sukoonabad had lived this way. Their conversations were silent nods. Their laughter was suppressed smiles. And their grievances, if they had any, were buried deep within their hearts. It was said that long ago, a great tragedy had struck when people's words had caused chaos, and so silence became the law. But then came Aarav. Aarav was not born in Sukoonabad. He was a traveler, weary from his journey, seeking refuge for a few days. He walked through the silent streets, watching children play without laughter and old men sip tea without debate. The silence was eerie, suffocating. One evening, as he sat by the town square, he saw a woman with sorrow in her eyes. She held a letter, and though her lips trembled, she did not speak. Aarav couldn't help himself. "What troubles you?" he asked softly. Gasps echoed in silence. Heads turned, eyes widened. The woman dropped the letter in shock. The town's guards, dressed in dark cloaks, stormed toward him. "You have broken the rule," one of them hissed, though even their anger was controlled, barely above a whisper. "You must be punished." "But why?" Aarav questioned. "Why must you live in silence?" An old man, the town's leader, stepped forward. He pointed to a grand building, its walls covered in ancient scripts. "Because words bring disaster," he whispered, the first words he had spoken in years. "But silence is not peace," Aarav argued. "It is only fear, dressed in quiet." For a moment, the people hesitated. They looked at one another, their lips parting but no words coming forth. Aarav saw something stir in them, a buried longing, a desire to speak, to share, to break free. So, he did something bold. He sang a soft, gentle melody, filling the air with something the town had not heard in years. It was not chaos. It was not destruction. It was beautiful. One by one, the people of Sukoonabad joined in, not with words at first, but with humming, then with whispers, and finally with voices. The silence was broken, and for the first time in years, Sukoonabad was not just a place of peace, it was a place of life.